Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your laptop won't connect to Wi-Fi. These methods work for both Windows and Mac laptops. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart your laptop and router. Turn off your laptop completely. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once the router restarts, turn your laptop back on and try reconnecting. Method 2. Forget and reconnect to the network. Click the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar. Select your network and click Forget. Now reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password. Method 3. Update network drivers, Windows. Press Windows plus X, then choose Device Manager. Expand network adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the steps. Method 4. Reset network settings. On Windows, go to Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings Network Reset. Click Reset now and restart your PC. On Mac, go to System Settings Network Wi-Fi. Remove the network and add it again. Method 5. Check airplane mode or hardware switch. Make sure airplane mode is off. Some laptops have a physical Wi-Fi switch. Make sure it's turned on. Method 6. Run the troubleshooter, Windows only. Go to Settings, System Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter and follow the instructions. Bonus tip: try connecting to another Wi-Fi network or using a mobile hotspot. If it works, the issue might be with your router. Thanks for watching. If one of these methods fixed your issue, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.